What's up, everybody? It's Ryan again at Cost Customs. So today I got a K&N drop-in air filter for my Corolla hatchback. I decided to go with that because the TRD intake is literally just a box that has TRD stamped on it. There's really not much of a difference, and the manufacturers and all of the engineers and stuff that they have working there designed that box specifically for this vehicle, so it is going to be the best airflow and least turbulent. So I'm just gonna do a quick video of an install and just my impression and thoughts on it after. So stay tuned. All right, so to install it, you're just gonna flip these two clips that are right here. There are two little notches or grooves that the tabs need to align in. Pull up the filter. Grab the new one. Do not add any extra oil or anything like that to it. You're going to lift up the filter box, drop that one in, align your clips into the holes, push it down, clip, clip, and that is it. I would strongly suggest putting the sticker on here that says it's washable and reusable, don't discard, and it will not void the warranty. And that's it, guys. Alright guys, so that is it. I definitely feel a little more throttle response. I do have a better exhaust tone now that there's more flow. The more you get in, the more you get out, the more efficient or more power you're going to have. It's not anything drastic. There definitely is a sound difference though with the exhaust. I just recommend cleaning it per manufacturer specifications and going from there. So all in all, definitely makes a difference, and I highly recommend it. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, ask any questions. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. It's Koffs_Customs, KOFFS_KUSTOMZ. Remember, be cool, stay safe.